In 60 seconds, I'll show 3 easy ways to uninstall apps on your Mac. First, open Finder and click Applications in the sidebar to view installed apps. Locate the app you want, then drag its icon toward the trash in the dock. Release the app over trash. This moves it to the bin but doesn't wipe support files. To permanently delete, right-click the trash and choose Empty Trash, then Confirm. If you need deeper cleanup, try Launchpad or a dedicated uninstaller to find leftovers. Open Launchpad from the dock or use a 4-finger pinch on the trackpad. Click and hold any icon until it jiggles, then click the small X to delete. Some apps don't show an X, that's when App Cleaner becomes very useful. Open App Cleaner, drag the app into its window, and wait while it scans files. Review the matched items, check boxes for associated files, then click Remove to delete. That covers Finder, Launchpad, and App Cleaner. Quick, minimal steps for a cleaner Mac.